All right, so let's start. Okay, so this is a platform where you can be able to build premium apps from definitely scratch. It's called a low-code platform. So the idea right now, the way I'm doing this video, is to show freelancers, website designers, or digital marketing agencies, digital marketers, anyone who's kind of on the online space doing anything digital, that you can be able to build mobile apps at a uh, decent pace without a lot of coding, pretty much no coding at all, and be able to create and generate money on the upfront when you set it up for people, and be able also to charge your monthly fees, because sometimes maybe websites is not bringing enough income, or any other digital work that you do, right? So that recurring revenue is important for you and for me. All right, so this platform is called DIYapps.ca. So this platform, it's pretty much branded for DIYapps.ca. So when you build apps for your clients or people, they won't be able to know who it originated from. They just see DIY apps, and then they're like, boom, they can be able to kind of white label it for your business, and be able to have the back office as you want. So if you go to DIYapps.ca, it will send you to this page, and then once you are here, you can be able to click on get started. So you click on get started, and this will take you to the pretty much the builder. So from here, you can be able to get a lot of startup apps. Technically, if you click on one of these ones, you can be able to see what's happening. All right. Beautiful apps, very, very beautiful. Let's say you want food and drink. We already looked in that. Health and health and health and wellness, not awareness. You can do journals. So these are a really great kind of they're really great platform that you can be able to build apps for people. Very great plugins that you can be able to plug and play. A lot of these will require a lot of code, but we have already set them up that you can be able to build apps from scratch without no code, and you can be able to build impressive apps with this platform. Health, right? You see, you can do weight tracking. You can connect to your YouTube. You can do short videos. You can be able to make people make an in-app kind of purchase, in-app secure some areas of the app that you can be able to monetize, right? Above all, depending on what your client wants, you can just start from any of these templates. Very beautiful. Or if you're a pro, you can start from scratch. Right? So it's pretty much a mixed bag. When you go to the buffet, you have lots of food. Now it's up to you to choose what you want to eat, right? So same thing with this platform, DIYapps.ca, really good platform. And right now we have a free trial, 21 days. You can be able to log in, try to build an app in 21 days. After 21 days, if you don't like it, boom, it doesn't matter. The account will disappear, and the app will be there for a couple months. And then when you log in again, either it will be there or will be trashed. And then after that, when your 21 days is done and you're like, okay, this is cool, I really love it, You can use this code DIYapps100 and get $100 off your standard premium or the enterprise app plans for the 6 months. All right, so first things first, I know you're like, oh, we want to see how how the backend looks like. So once you're ready to start, pretty much anytime you can start. You can do this on your phone, right? This is a beautiful app. So if you have a Shopify client and they want a Shopify app, so you can build a Shopify app with this, right? So you just take the API from the Shopify, connect it to the app, and you can be able to use the app features like notifications, segmentations, and things like that to continue to build on the Shopify experience through an app. All right, so once you have a, let's say, where was it? I just saw it right now, man. I want fitness. I want fitness. I'm looking for fitness. I just had fitness right now. Health and wellness. It's not really happening, man. It's not really happening. Found it. Anyways, I love this app. This app is really nice, man. Nice. I love the colors. All right. So once you're ready, you click on the template. You say start with template. You put the app name. So once you're ready, you just put the app name. Put the name. Pretty much select the industry that you're gonna work with. Sports and fitness. Fitness app. Fitness app. Fitness app. Wow, man, I'm creative, huh? All right, so then you put the first. Just put your first name, last name. Those are not required. You can do your email. So for us, it's hello@DIYapps.ca. Put your password, and you can be able to sign in and click on get started. So once you click on get started, it will take you to this page. So this page is where now you can be able to play with your apps, right? So now this is where you can sorry. It's a local platform, but this is why now you can start editing the app. You can be able to do a lot of stuff. All right, so quick overlay of the land. So this is the dashboard. So the dashboard, the home screen. So that's the first screen that you see when you open an app, and that's this one. So when I clicked on home screen, it took me to this page. So now you see how the page is set up, right? And the beauty about this platform, any feature that you go to, right? Let's say we go to community, it will change for your edits, right? When you go to about us, it will do the same thing. You can be able to change that. I really love this platform. It's white labeled. No one pretty much knows where it's coming from, but it's really nicely set up. Everything is kind of nicely and linked. So under my features, you have my features here. You go to, you can see all the features. We call them plugins. So all the plugins that are being used for this platform, for this app, right? Let's see. Should have let's see the workouts. So all those are YouTube videos. The beauty about this, as I mentioned before, you can lock it, require login, so you can make it you have to log in, so that way you can be able to collect emails and things like that. You can use tags. I love this because this will be able to when you segment your clients, you can let them know where to different clients connecting to different things. All right, so we go to the marketplace. So this is where you can pick any feature, any plugin that you want, and use it in the app. There are so many of them, really, really robust places if you want to do directories and things like that. If you want to link to events, you can link directly to a calendar and so much more. Side menu. So as we talked about, as you saw on the side menu of the app, and then we have the nav bar. Nav bar is usually the one at the bottom. So currently it's turned off because we don't have it. But if I turn it on, it will turn on down here, right? So we don't need that for, it's a beautiful app already. So we don't need to mess anything up for now. Intro screens. So intro screens are screens when someone logs in or when someone downloads your app, the first few screens they see before they go into the app. So this is why you set it up. Very beautiful, very nice. Definitely have to upgrade to get such features. They are premium features. Branding. So this is where now you put your app icons for your iOS, your Android, your background, your loading screen. You can pick the font for your app. You can pick the colors for your app and things like that. Media library. So this is where everything lives in, anything image, your content images. So all your images will be here. And then the next part is security. So when we log in, this is where you can set up your login screen, right? So you change the logo here. You can add more fields. You can go to settings, add different fields that you want, right? See, you have your Facebook and other logins. Under customize, you can be able to add more fields. Right now we can't because of the we haven't upgraded, so we need to upgrade. Commercial, so this is where we want to do in-app purchases. So this is another great feature. If you want to do a credit system using tokens, they pay you, and then you want to ask, they get the tokens, and then the tokens can be able to help them access different parts of the app. Notifications, as it says, we have your new notifications. If you want to set up notifications, if you want to do group segmentation, so you can do group notifications, you can schedule your notifications, you can do geofence for your notifications, and now you can see the analytics, which one, how many notifications went out. I'll click on that. We don't have any right now, but it will be how many notifications were sent out, how many people opened it, and how many people clicked on the action that you either you put on the notification, and it will tell you the percentage open rate. Users, so here you can manage all the users who log into the app. You can use a tag. User tag is the one I was talking about. Each screen can have different tags, and you can be able to help people to when people move around the app, they can pick these tags, and you can be able to market specifically to people who have visited different kind of tags, different kind of screens. Sorry. Admin roles, if you want to add admin. Abuse report is people who have been reported that have been abusive in the app, so you can always have that report and delete them or ban them from the app. Analytics, so this is how many downloads, how many total users. It's only one. You're one and only, that's me. And then the advanced stuff is more on the marketing side of things, progressive web apps, so you can be able to do PWAs with this platform. And then when you are ready, just hit on the upgrade and be able to use the coupon code and get your discount. The other beautiful thing about this platform is the learn more. I really love this because this is where your knowledge base is. right? Anything to do with the app development world in this platform, DIYapps.ca, you can be able to get it here. All right. So how to build an app, the core features, marketplace terms, publishing, and things like that. All right. So overall, I just wanted to present this opportunity, provide this show this platform to pretty much all the freelancers out there that can be able to leverage this platform to build apps for businesses. And one more thing before I go, I wanted to share is all these windows that you see, right? So when you click view, you can insert different layouts. I love this. You know how coding is hard, man, but you can be able to get this out of the gate and be able to use it. Formatting, some of this formatting is really nice. Source code. So if you are into HTML, .css, you can be able to leverage this and be able to put a little bit of your kind of your skills to test, a little bit of coding here and there. So let's say, for example, right now we don't have anything, but let's say where are you? Okay, let's do this. When are you getting started? All right, so let's do bold. Let's do it. What do we call this? Centered, and you see it changes on the side too. It changes on the app, and then you do. Oh, and then come to tools. You do source code. You see, it's all HTML. HTML, HTML, HTML. All right. All right. So another part is the AI. The AI content right now, AI is a buzz. Everyone is trying to use it on their platform. So right now it's a work in progress right now. So let's say I want to write an article. Let's say, when are you getting started? And then we're like, okay, we want second person, professional. Let's do dramatic, and let's do Donald Trump. Let's see if it can do it. Let's say 200 words with that small text. All right. So there's this thing. Wow, can't believe this. All right, let's cancel that. All right. So when are you getting started? When are you getting started with your workouts? Right. If you're into boxing, if you're into running, so this will be great for fitness trainers. And the other thing too is if you want to preview your app, right? So just put your phone number, and it will send you a link to preview the app. So if you have clients who want to see the work, how the app is coming along, just send them the link, and they can be able to see how everything is looking on their phone, even without being on Apple or Google, or even before upgrading it. Yeah, and then you can be able to change your languages just for this platform, but not for the app. Just when you are building, so that if you have a different language, yeah, if you want to clone, if you want to make this a home screen, if you want to create a new feature, add a new plugin. All right, so as freelancers, I think this will be a good tool that you can be able to add for your staff, be able to get more clients using the app, and build really beautiful apps that helps clients to be able to grow and be able to leverage the mobile app platform. All right, so other than that, I just wanted to come and demonstrate this. So next week, I'll drop another video. At least we'll go through one one industry. Pick one industry. Let me know in the chat, and then I'll see if we can do that next week. Other than that, I'm gonna sign out. You guys have a great weekend. Enjoy the platform, and hit me up if you need any help at hello@DIYapps.ca. Thank you, and have a great one. Bye.